Good day everyone. I'm Michael. And I'm using a text-to-speech program to have a more clear speech and audio. C# includes a decision-making operator which is called the conditional operator or ternary operator. It is the short form of the if-else conditions. Here's the syntax for the ternary operator. Like the if-else statement, the ternary operator starts with a Boolean condition. If this condition evaluates to true, then it will execute the first statement after the question mark, otherwise, the second statement will be executed. These two sample programs will provide the same output. The first sample uses a ternary operator, while the second example uses the typical if-else statement. So basically, a ternary operator is a short form of an if-else statement. We can create a nested ternary operator by including multiple conditional expressions as a second or third part of expressions in the ternary operator. These nested ternary operators will help us replace if-else-if statements. Note: the ternary operator is right associative. This expression is evaluated as this, not as this. For our self-check, what will be the output of the following program? You can comment your answer below. That's all for this video lesson. If you have questions, suggestions, something to add, or you think something is missing or incorrect to the lesson, please let me know. Again, this is Michael, thank you and see you at my next video lesson. Keep safe everyone.